My Emerson air conditioner keeps blinking lights.
Do you know the model of your Emerson AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Emerson Quiet Kool 2.6 out of 5 stars. 22 reviews. Emerson Quiet Kool 8000 BTUs 115 volt smart window air conditioner with remote, Wi-Fi, and voice control, EARC 8-1, white.
How long has this been going on with your Emerson air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Yesterday it just shut off while I was asleep.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Yay, the lights keeps blinking on and off and then it turns off.
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/high expert on JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please bear with my responses, there can sometimes be a small delay. Hope you're doing well today. Any error codes? Which lights are flashing?
The lights are the temp I set to cool the AC like I have it on Kool 61, and then it starts jumping to higher numbers and then shuts off blowing hot air. No thank you.
I see. Let's try a few simple things. 1. Unplug the unit and plug back into. Try a different outlet. Also, can you tell me the age of the unit?
I had for a year and I unplug it and plug it back in and it keeps beeping with high temp numbers blinking on and off, and I use a surge protector I'm unable to plug in wall.
Is it under 12 months old? If you've already tried plugging and unplugging the unit, you may have some fried electronics, such as a control board most likely.
Oh no, and yes, I think it's more than 12 months.
I see. In order to pinpoint the problem further, you would need to take the unit apart and have a multimeter, tool for checking voltages and electricity. In most cases with window units, what fails is the control board. Those usually run 150 plus. Assuming you're able to find one with Emerson window units, parts are not always available.
Okay, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.